Thank you for your interest in Module Creator. Module Creator was developed in association with the Literacy Design Collaborative, LDC, and Metametrics with support from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Module Creator is an online digital planning tool that provides a framework for planning units or modules for the classroom. Using Module Creator, educators in the content areas, as well as English language arts educators, can easily incorporate literacy standards such as Common Core into their classrooms and curriculum. Module Creator provides a flexible framework that can be tailored to the teacher and class's needs. It provides a structure that is easy to follow, yet is easily modified. Because literacy standards are pre-programmed, it is easy for educators to make sure they are incorporating literacy goals in their subject areas. Let's get started building a module. When you log into Module Creator, you will see your dashboard displaying all the modules you are working on or have completed. To build a new module, click Create Module. You must select a template for your module. The template is pre-programmed to contain the appropriate literacy standards. Today we are selecting the LDC Paideia template. You'll notice the tabs across the top of the display. Each of these tabs is a component of the module that you will complete. The bars to the left show options within that component used to build a module that is tailored to your curriculum. The first step is to enter some basic information: the title of your module, description, discipline of study, grade, and course name. This module is titled, What Inspired Our Government the Most? Using the drop-down menu, we've selected Social Studies as a discipline and, using the sliding bars, grades 10 through 11. Once the basic information is complete, save the module. Next, we have the opportunity to add additional authors. Adding authors enables teachers within Module Creator Access to collaborate on the module design, whether they are across a room, across a hall, across a district, state, or in another part of the country. The next step is to define the task. The task is the final product you want students to produce at the end of the module. Defining the task drives the options for the rest of the module. Each task template is associated with skills, instructional strategies, and many tasks necessary to complete it. Module Creator has over 29 different task templates from which to choose. You can scroll through all of the options or filter the list by specifying the writing type of the finished product or the text structure, or both. For this module, we have selected products and text structures for the middle school and high school level. After reading through the drop-down menus, we chose an informational explanatory writing type with analysis as a text structure. This narrowed down the task template options to 2. Once a template is selected, it will appear with red text. The red text highlights areas that need to be completed. You simply use the pre-filled text options or provide additional detail to suit your needs. Once this is completed, save the teaching task. The next step in the task is to list what reading text will be used in the module. The Paideia template will automatically provide several resources for you. However, you are able to add more resources such as textbooks, handouts, and reference material. Type in your resources and click Add Resource. The symbols indicate for whom the resources are provided, with the mortarboard silhouette representing the student and the apple representing the instructor. Any additional background and extension for the class can be entered in the next screen. This may be where you put prior knowledge, student adaptations, or project information. Module Creator will also provide a rubric based on the writing type you have selected. Here you see the Information Explanatory Template Task rubric. And finally, in the task area, you will find the standards associated with the final product or task you have selected. These standards are pre-populated, and standards associated with the task will be shown in boldface type. You are able to select additional standards from the list or add your own standards by using the Custom Standards tab. You can view all the standards your module supports by clicking on View My Standards. At any point in the module creator process, you can add comments to your module. Upon completion, these comments will show at the very end of your module. This may be helpful if you are working with another author to add comments and view suggestions on your unit. At any point, if you need clarification, you can use the question icon to access helpful information and view videos to guide you through the process. The next section in your module is the Skills section. The Skills section has been pre-populated with the skills needed to complete the task you have defined. As with the other pieces of the Module Creator framework, skills can be modified to meet the needs of your class or curriculum. Skill clusters can be added by clicking on the plus icon in the green bar at the top right. Once you have defined the skill cluster, you can add specific skills within the skill set. Additionally, skills within a cluster can be edited, deleted, added, or reordered using the buttons within the blue bars. For this module, we have added the skill cluster Listening for Key Information. Once a skill is described, a mini-task must be added to support it. Mini-tasks are the specific instructional tasks that will be taught and mastered in order for the task or end product to be successfully completed. Select a mini-task from the drop-down menu and define the prompt. What do you want students to do? Define the pacing, duration, and expectations for the mini-task, as well as any instructional strategies you will employ in the classroom to support it. Save the skill, and it will then appear in the list of skills displayed on your screen. To change the order of the skill clusters, use the plus button. Click and drag the skill set to place it in the sequence in which it will be taught. Note that any changes in the order of the skill set will be reflected in the order of instructional mini-tasks displayed in the next instruction section. Embedded in each skill is at least one mini-task. The mini-tasks support the development of the skill you are teaching, which in turn enables a student to complete the end task or product. Also note that deleting a skill is a permanent action and cannot be undone in your module. Once all the changes are made, save the skills screen. The next section is in the instruction. What are the specific actions you will take to teach the skills required to complete the task? The instruction section is populated with the skill clusters defined in the skill section. Under each skill cluster noted in the purple bars, you will find a description of the skill as well as at least one suggested mini-task to support it. Again, Module Creator provides flexibility in enabling you to add mini-tasks that would be suited to your class needs. To add a mini-task, click on the plus sign on the right of the screen and enter the information needed. There must be at least one mini-task associated with each skill cluster. You have the option of deleting mini-tasks only if more than one mini-task is associated with the cluster. Once you've had the opportunity to view and modify all your mini-tasks, you can see all the tasks associated with your module by clicking on View My Mini-Tasks. Next tab, Add Resources, gives you the opportunity to add a wide variety of resources to support instruction. One of the unique features and benefits of Module Creator is the ability to access a database of thousands of articles at the specific readability of your students. This is achieved through linking the database to the Lexile framework, which measures the complexity of text. With the grade level and Lexile levels of your students, you can choose reading material to match their ability. To do this, select Digital Articles. Enter a search term and a Lexile range or grade range for your students. Click Search to return reading materials from a wide range of professional publications. Save the articles that best fit your needs by clicking on the plus sign. By using the Advanced Search, you can narrow your search by publication, author, or date range. This is particularly useful when studying current events. You're also able to upload resources from your files. Just select Upload Resources and click on the file on your computer you wish to include. You will note that the Paideia template provides several resources. The Keyword section can be used to list any important vocabulary students will need to know for the module. Module Creator also allows you to embed links to other websites and save them for future instruction. Using the Links tab, cut and paste or enter the link associated with the website you'd like to use. The link will appear in the list below and will open in a new window when selected. Resources that were entered or included in the Reading Text section of the task component will be listed in Other Resources. To view all resources associated with the module, click View All Resources. The final component of the module is the Results tab. Here you will find the rubric associated with the task you have selected. You'll also have the ability here to upload sample student work. To do this, click Exemplar Work and upload the files you have selected. The Summary section of Module Creator allows you to see the module in its entirety. Any comments will be included at the end of the module. Be sure to save the work you've done. When the module is complete, you have three options. Publish your module will make your module available to other Module Creator users. Clone will copy your module, and Delete will delete it. You can also simply save your module to your own account without making it public, and it will show as Under Development on your dashboard. The vision of Module Creator included a network of collaboration for instructors. Towards that end, any published modules are available for any Module Creator user to view or copy and modify for his or her own use. To find a module that may fit your curriculum, with or without some modification, use the search feature on the dashboard. Once you find the module in which you are interested, you may clone it. It will then appear as a copy on your dashboard, and you will have the ability to make any changes by going through the tabs and functions we have just reviewed. Module Creator is a flexible framework designed to enable instructors to incorporate literacy in their instruction. Thank you for your time and interest in Module Creator.